Haitian children face challenges that we have a really hard time imagining here in the United States. Haitian children come from homes that are humble and often have a difficult time being sustained through the elements of wind and rain. They don't have indoor plumbing and they don't have running water. For Haitian children, simply getting ready for the day with the basics of life is a challenge and a struggle. Many of them come from homes that lack electricity or lights when the skies get dark. But despite these difficulties, these children and youth possess an incredible resiliency and hope. They share the dream that all children have. They want to keep learning and make their lives better. If Haitian children do not receive an education, their nation and communities will continue to spiral. And as we know, that will continue to be a problem. I have an incredible memory from several years ago. It was a warm summer in Jacmel, Haiti, and the group that I was traveling with from my church in Nebraska, where I served at the time, was helping with the HTF summer camp. As often happens when you're traveling in Haiti, there's lots of conversation, there's dreams, and there's wonderings about the future. And Maya told us about a bright student who would soon be finishing his primary school education. But James didn't have a future if he didn't have funding to take him to the next educational level. He would not be able to continue. Think of a young teenage boy anywhere. They need guidance. They need opportunities. And if James didn't receive the funds to continue his education, his life would not be filled with very much hope. He would barely be educated and probably would find himself soon mingling on the streets, begging for food and water, and probably falling into gang activity because it would be his only choice. The group of us that was listening to Maya tell the story about this young man named James thought to ourselves, we could do something about this. Let's pool our resources and sponsor James in his next year of school and help him have a better life. Because of this action, James recently applied to a local college in Jacmel and is looking to further his education and improve his life. Thinking about if we wouldn't have sponsored James all those years ago, he would not have the opportunities that he has today. Since those first few students of Living Faith were sponsored, it has grown to 24 students, and more are waiting for sponsorship. So I invite you to help unlock dreams and provide potential and a future for a young child and a youth in Haiti. 100% of your gift will help this youth in Haiti to have access to that highly coveted education. So help cultivate hope and transform lives through the gift of education as we all begin another year of school.